没开始拍，这一碗阳春面都干光了。
是乌龟吗？
They're both very good. But this one just blew my mind.
What do you think of my new bag?
哟，
你好，小土豆。
什么小土豆？你在这里笑妈妈，坏蛋。
This better be the best milk tea I've ever had.
Does it worth it to wait for 2.5 hours？
I wouldn't wait 2.5 minutes.
你看这个开始拍了，这点的也太多肉了吧！我们今天来吃四小柳，听说这个是小笼包金奖哎，所以怎么能不试一下？那个绿色的是我点的，看到没？这个是我点的。
Here's some long noodles.
阳春面。这是什么呀？哦，慢点，慢点，慢点。这馄饨是吧？
对，黄鱼馄饨是这样的。
哇，
还要煮。
好的，好的，那让它煮吧。
Oh.
我点了这个绿色的，是春天的香春菜的，还有他们的金奖的鲜肉小笼包，还有我在丹麦想了好久的蚕豆都吃不到，还有这个是黄鱼馄饨，还在煮，7分钟就好了。干杯！这我还没开始拍，这一碗阳春面都干光了。
清淡。
This taste is called fresh and clean. Yeah. 他们确实比其他的稍微贵一点，但是它的东西比较好。妈妈也特别喜欢吃他家的，谢谢。
My goodness, I think Mommy ordered everything on the menu.
可以了，7分钟了。
没事没事没事，可以。
看一下，又来一个，等一下还有最后一个菜。
Are you crazy?
好的，谢谢。
是乌龟吗？
不是乌龟，这是葱油饼，看一下。哎，看一下。
葱油饼。
好吧，你要吃吧，你拿吧。
There's oil inside of it. Look, there's just a pool of oil at the bottom.
看不见。
摸还是屁？
好了。
为什么你定了10个饭法？
因为妈妈饿了。好吃。
This is like a 小笼包 in a different shape. It has soup inside. It's very delicious.
Oh, you're dripping everywhere. All the
Wow, look at the insides. Oh, that's so beautiful. And I can smell it. As soon as she bit into it, I can smell the inside. Wow, that smells amazing. It looks so fresh.
nuts.
Spring vegetables.
It's not a shangbao, but it is incredibly delicious. It's kind of like a tai bao, but the flavors in there are so much more potent than normal. It tastes so good. 特别好吃. Oh wow, they're amazing. Best tai bao I've ever had.
超级好吃。哇，从来没吃过这种味道的小笼包。
这个是阿妈，这个是葱油饼，这个里面太多了油了。
爸爸，你没点它火锅。
火锅，你想笑死妈妈？你让爸爸吃什么？
火锅。
那这是那个黄鱼馄饨嘛，拿个小碗试一下。好，那给妈妈来。放不错，真是。But it's not so greasy, even though it has a lot of oil, huh? 这是那个新鲜的黄鱼馄饨，
Can I try this one?
对吧？特别好吃。
What flavor is it?
This is the golden medal winner, the
That
fresh
one was not
meat.
the gold medal?
No, this is the spring one. That's the classic fresh meat.
That one is the best middle this kind of thing I've ever had. Let's see what their gold medal winner is like. It's just a really, really good regular xiaolongbao.
Are you still impressed by the
Personally, I prefer these. They're both very good. But this one just blew my mind. See what the big dish is like.
And I see that looks incredible.
Mom said it's super good.
Great presentation, honey.
来吧，
可好吃。
哇，这个汤也太鲜了。
可好吃那个
是吧？是吧？
那个馄饨可好吃。
Is it also fish in the dumplings? Really?
Fish with the spring vegetable，特别好吃。昨天干了一碗，今天我又给他订了。啊，他就特别喜欢吃，所以我今天就给他点了。我的妈，慢点哈，慢点的，慢点。
Alright. Daddy's portion. Take my jacket off for this. Oh, look at that. It's very different to the normal style of punch. Like, it's very obvious that it's fish.
当经典哈，
还有金鱼，妈妈很多金鱼，看。
我看一下。哇，好多金鱼。Maybe we should go order the milk tea first because otherwise we have to wait for too long time.
We're busy.
OK， 那我去
Look at all
了。
those goldfish.
现在在新天地，我现在要去打卡按摩手作。我弟弟先过去要帮我们点啦，给你们看看几点哈。11点，已经有300多杯在制作了，所以要排队多久还不确定。我们先去看一下。这两个外国人，两个丹麦友人在这边，他们已经走不动了，看啥都要在这里看半天，所以我决定先去点奶茶。我觉得我们就新天地这边，他们俩逛一天都走不完，因为看见什么都很感兴趣，看见什么都要看一下。
绿色的金鱼我也要
哇，好看吗？
Take them in your bag.
哎呦，very good， 再来一次，刚刚没拍到你的腿，来。
Why do girls always bring such big heavy bags if you don't want to carry them yourself?
你好啊！
想过来打卡网红奶茶店了。
你好，小土豆。
什么小土豆？你在这里笑吗？买坏蛋！这要走吧 ，baby。We have to wait for more than 2 hours. Maybe we just walk around.
Well, I guess we have time to walk all over Shanghai.
Let's go， 咱们去逛一下新天地鱼游。大高个子的外套没人拿就走了。
That's a danger when the weather becomes so nice that you want to take off your jacket.
But can you not see everybody still wearing winter jacket and you're the only one with short sleeves?
It's because they're crazy. It's super warm today.
Oh my god! 看这个睡得多香。Sister's coming from Minhang to here. Guess if she arrived first or our milk tea arrived first.
At this time of the day, I think your sister will actually arrive first, even though she's coming from me.
又开始百欧奶茶又营业了。You know what, baby?
What's up?
One stop, my sister will arrive.
Okay, nice. And we still have to wait like an hour for our milk tea.
来吧来吧，我姐姐在这里说我给她拍的太难看了，这真不能怪我，她长得就这样。大家觉得我姐姐好看还是不好看？我觉得还行吧，就是发型有点不太好，其他都还行吧。今天没整都没洗头，好吧？那你知道你一出来跟我一起出来，我就得拍视频，你还不整一下？我以为你今天不拍呢。Milk tea is done. You wanna pick it up?
Yes, sir. 276. Just a...
不要拿过去了，不好意思。啊？去头，前面去头。啊，到前面。What？ 啊，排队啊 ，wait here.
But it was right there.
Yes.
She took it right in front of us.
我是157跟166。
谢谢. This better be the best milk tea I've ever had. 2.5 hours. What?
走吧，干杯，试一下，
干杯！
怎么样？来，这个怎么样？
这个不错，这怎么？
你这是什么呀？
这
斯里兰卡是吧？不算是吧？你这个呢？
茉莉绿茶像茉莉绿茶的那个味道，
好喝吗？
这个好。It's like it's so separated. Look, it's like milk and mashed potatoes, pretty much. It literally just tastes like milk. There's no like.
这个是什么？给大家看看，这个是超厚芋泥，超厚芋泥没啥味道。
Let's give this a try. Tastes like a nice cup of fresh milk. I taste very. Oh, there's a slight aftertaste. This is pretty much just a cup of fresh milk.
Does it worth it to wait for 2.5 hours?
I wouldn't wait 2.5 minutes for this, I think.
乌龙海盐奶茶，
Really then? This is by this man cup mate.
这个乌龙的味道很浓。我觉得最好喝的还是那个，还是舅舅的那一杯。斯里兰卡是这一杯。饿了吗？好，妈妈给你喂奶哈。
But this place tastes really good.
Yeah, there's like a million people waiting.
But it's really good. It's one of the best 鲜肉月饼.
You know what? Today was supposed to be a nice, relaxing day.
Yes.
So far, we got up, we stood in line for 2.5 hours for milk tea. We said, okay, now we're hungry. And now we're gonna go stand in line forever to go have lunch.
Let me stand here first.
我就要鲜肉的。
我要5个鲜肉的。光明村的鲜肉月饼呢，上海必尝，这家非常正宗。
好吃，它这个皮特别酥脆，你看它里面的馅。
They're fresh out the oven. Or however you make these. They're super hot. Straight off the pan or oven or however you make these.
好吃吗？
刚刚遇到了一个非常漂亮的粉丝小姐姐，然后昨天在地铁里又遇到一个粉丝。最近我们在上海经常遇到我们的朋友们，谢谢大家的支持。
一个虾，这个是猪猪。哇，看在那边一个大鱼。
哇，大鱼在这儿，对的，我也惊呆了，我也惊呆了，不知道是吧？我惊呆了，我的天啊！
真火，厉害。这是安徽。
look at her。
我们下次去地锅鸡吗？
是的。哎呀，木乐宝贝从来没见过这个。看乐乐，你知道这是什么吗，宝贝？它在这里烧火，知道吗？烧了之后，咱们在上面就可以吃饭啦。上面，哎呀，你看这个开始拍了，没见过。
冰块的里面。
那不是冰块，那不是冰块，宝贝，那是煤炭。
煤炭。
耶，煤炭。这是我们今天点的吗？我的天哪，这点的也太多肉了吧！这么多腰子，吓死我！你知道这是什么吗，宝贝
？Super kidney lover。
是什么呀？
腰子。
腰子，那个小子。
那个是腰子。
这个是什么？
还是不懂什么意思？腰子。
这个小的不进去啊！
我也不知道，妈妈有没有来吃？要问问他。对，看这个。干豆角，凉拌黄瓜，皮蛋。
These are the PS pidan I've ever seen.
好的，谢谢。是这样。
Oh, look at that.
怎么样
So he puts a lid on top of the dishes that are cooking, and then the xiaocai go on top of that. It's genius. 这是什么小豆子？
很好吃。
Like popcorn kernel. It's good. Salty, crunchy. Here is excellent chopstick practice. Do this before every meal, and you'll be excellent and a master at chopsticks in no time. Let's open up the animal.
你看这个吃黄瓜吃的多专注。可以，你盖吧，谢谢。开始爬了，可以吃回去吧。
好。
哇，来这个大腰子太吓人了。
Better with or without the hat?
With the hat.
With?
Straight from one of these.
Kidney? Yeah.
So how am I supposed to eat this? What would you do with the pancakes?
A pancake after 3 minutes. Then it'll be done.
So you start by just eating the stuff in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, that is super squishy. Is that finished? Is that done?
My sister already ate some, so everything's done.
Sister has an iron stomach.
为什么我姐姐吃没觉得这么烫？你这个吃了啊？
Flavor is super delicious. It gushes out. It's just like a whole bunch of goo inside.
OK。拿到肉，直接吃酱了，辣吗？
有一点，真的很好吃。这是什么？鸡肉。
鸡肉。
啊。
我要看看你的嘴。
What? Chili oil? I hope you're eating garlic too, because this is a lot of raw garlic.
特别嫩。吃光了，吃光就剩几个大蒜了。小鱼哥，这样真傻了，怎么？